So, hi everyone. First of all, happy Sri Ram Navami to all of you. I'm really happy and grateful for the amazing response on the LinkedIn, where you showed your love in the form of likes, comments. So that is the reason I want to start this Salesforce series. So, if you are the beginner in the Salesforce, so this series will take you from zero to job ready. I think so. Okay. Without late, we can jump into our topic. Okay. So today we are discussing about day 1 and day 2 of our 40-day Salesforce roadmap. So in that, the first day we are discussing about what is Salesforce CRM, right? Today we are discussing about what is Salesforce CRM and why Salesforce CRM is number one, and also developer sign org and setting up our environment, creating profile and environment and creating the user and role as well. Okay, so yeah, first, what is Salesforce? As everyone will know that everyone will say answer like this is an CRM. So CRM is nothing but customer relationship management, as we all know. For example, we can say one simple example like we all know Amazon tracking your orders and bank managing the customer details and all. We can say simply like it is a system where we need to store the customer data, like in Salesforce we can say it will track the lead, contact, deals and support cases, etc. This is all about the CRM. I think everyone knows the CRM. Okay, so now coming to the Salesforce. So Salesforce is, as everyone know, it is a cloud-based CRM platform. Why it is cloud-based means we are storing the information on the internet, and we are not and we are not at all any installing any software devices like antivirus like that. So that we can say that it is the cloud-based cloud-based CRM platform. So what is the key features of Salesforce? As we all know, like that, we don't need to install anything, and we can access through the Chrome browser and Mac. Like Chrome Edge. Uh, yeah, and Salesforce is also the multi-tenant environment where multi-tenant is nothing but many users can share the same system as well, right? So coming to why Salesforce is number one CRM. So Salesforce is a why number one CRM means is, as everyone know, like it is a cloud based, and it is very highly customizable. We can customize according to our preferences as well, and it will do the process like automation nothing but there is no manual intervention. Interaction is not needed for to do the processes. Okay, so I don't want to say a lot about what is Salesforce, why Salesforce is number one CRM, why, because you all know all both these topics, right? So without jumping in, without late, we can sign up our org. Okay, so I will give you the developer org link, login URL in the comments. Sorry, in the description section. You can go through that and you can sign up. Okay, so this is the URL. So where you can fill all those things, and yeah, after filling all this, you will get one mail. So through the one mail, you can sign up and all. Okay, so give that I will give that link in the comment, description section. Okay, yeah, let's jump into our topic. Yeah, as everyone know, this is the Salesforce org, right? Even you have already this setup, I think so. I think no need to explain how to set up and all. Okay, so without like we can create, as we all know that this is the setup. If you click on the gear icon, it will show the setup option. So go to the setup, and our day 2 topic is first topic is like profile creation, right? Okay, so Yeah, let's build one profile. So actually we all know that what is profile, right? So profile is nothing but where we can do the CRUD operations like create, read, edit, delete, everything on standard objects, custom objects, and tabs, app settings, whatever we are like Visual Force, everything. No? So through the, and we all know that profile is mandatory for the every user. Okay, so go to the profiles, search here in home. Yeah, actually the glitches. Yeah, click on profiles. Yeah, we can create one new profile. As you all know that we can't create any custom profiles. We can exist any, we can clone any existing profile. So now I'm taking here a system administrator. Why? Because system administration has all permissions, so that I'm using. So we can keep profile name as what we can put. Okay, we can create sales executive profile. Right? Okay, save. Click on save, and you can modify whatever the CRUD you want to do here. So for now I just want to give access only for account, contacts, opportunities, and leads, uh, and cases as well. Yeah, go down to, yeah, so yeah, already since the system administrator has all permissions, so it almost gave uh, basic every access to the everything. Okay. So now I want to I can remove this permission. Sorry, no. Okay, I will remove for contact. Yeah, for contacts I'm removing, delete. I'm deleting, sorry, edit and delete. Yeah, okay, according to your customization you can set the CRUD operations, CRUD permissions. Okay. Yeah, now I'm keeping all those like that only. Okay, save this. Next one is we can create the user, right? We can create one user, so that and creating user, and we can create role for them. So first we can create role, right? Yeah, creating one role. Okay, so I'm here setting up the role. Yeah, under CEO I'm adding one role. His name is like, what we can put, yeah, sales manager. And this role, the sales manager will report to the CEO as well. Right? So now our next step is we can create the we want to create user. We can create one new user, and we can assign that profile and role to this user. Okay, so this user is, we can create as sales executive. Okay, first name as sales and second is executive. It will take, you can create whatever the mail if you want to give. Okay, actually the username will take title. Title as manager, and company you can give anything. I will give TCS department. These are all optional, and we can assign the profile and role to the, here is our concept will come like what would given. I think sales manager will have given the role, and the user license is Salesforce. Okay, since the system, I think in this app there I don't have any permissions, so I can't assign that profile here. Okay, so you will here the user license you can get as Salesforce. So in that profile you can assign the profile whatever you have created. Okay, right? So yeah, I'm creating this. Save. You can customize according to your, okay. Yeah, I'm creating as identity user. Save. But the sales executive already is there. Okay, I will add one more thing. Yeah, but you can assign the profile what you have permission, so we don't need to go for any login access policies, and we can directly log in here. Okay, so okay, so here open. So that's it for today, guys. Today we have explored all profile creation, right? Profile creation and user, next assign the role as well, and also given basic access for the basic access of CRUD operations. Okay. Tomorrow we will go with the day 2. Okay, where we can create an app custom objects, and we will explore standard objects as well, fields creation. Tomorrow we can go with that. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, guys.